My name is Betsy Hicks. I'm a physician assistant at Duke Raleigh Urology, Department of Men's Health. The most commonly treated problems that we see are going to be enlarged prostate, erectile dysfunction, low testosterone levels, voiding dysfunction, kidney stones, weak urinary stream, getting up a lot at night. I feel I'm a very approachable person. I've been doing this a long time. I think I've just about seen, heard, and done everything in this field, although there's constantly things to learn about. I enjoy obtaining history from patients, how they got here, and what we're going to do to fix their problem. This men's health initiative is rather new, and in years past, it's focused on female needs and issues, and now we're opening up and developing this new initiative, particularly for men, and trying to make men feel more comfortable with their conditions. I very much enjoy the process of being able to identify a problem, finding out what we're going to do, what our options are in terms of treating the problem, and ultimately fixing the problem and getting the patient, where they need to be.